In this question, we're just going to write some really big numbers in standard form. So for the first one, we've got the number 8990,000,000. And if we think about how we'd have to move the decimal place along until we had the first number between 1 and 10, so the number would be 8.99. We're going to say that's times 10 to the 369. So 8.99 times 10 to the 9. For the second one, again, we've got a large number. I'm just going to write the first number, 2.9979 times 10 to the something. And again, we need to move the significant, or the decimal place, 3678 along. Okay, and the last one, 9.6485 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4 times 10 to the 4. So here we have some large numbers written in a much more appropriate manner in standard form. And this question actually came from one of my daily workout books. So if you want to practice implementing all of these math skills that you need for A-level physics, this came from the Daily Workout Book 1. It actually came from the 7th of July, where you can see I've got the same question. And as part of this book, I also have answers in the back. I've got work solutions and video solutions, as well as many more questions that help you really implement and practice all of the skills that you need for A-level physics. By the way, this is just one of many videos I've made covering all of the maths that you need to understand for A-level physics. It's part of the mini course, which includes many more topic videos, multiple worked examples, and also a guide that you can download. You can find all of this over at alevelphysicsonline.com.